In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Create with AI theme option not showing in Messenger. If you've been seeing people use AI-generated chat themes on Messenger, but you can't find the option on your own account, don't worry. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through several things you can check and adjust so you can increase the chances that the Create with AI feature appears for you. First, open the Messenger app on your phone and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Sometimes people have multiple accounts or profiles, and a feature might be enabled on one but not the other. Confirm you're using the account where you expect to see the AI theme option. Next, you'll want to check that your Messenger app is fully up to date. Go to your device's App Store, search for Messenger, and see if there's an update button. If there is, install the latest version. New experimental features, like AI-generated themes, are usually rolled out through app updates, so running an older version can prevent the option from appearing at all. After updating, force close the Messenger app completely, then reopen it. This helps the app reload its settings and fetch new feature flags from the server. Once it's open again, go into any chat, tap on the chat name or the information icon at the top, and look for the theme section. Normally, you'd see an option labeled something like Create with AI among the theme choices. If it's still missing, don't panic. It may simply mean it hasn't been fully rolled out to your account or region yet. At this point, it's a good idea to check your device's operating system as well. Make sure your phone is running a relatively recent version of Android or iOS. Some advanced features only work on newer systems, so updating your device software can sometimes unlock options that weren't visible before. If you've confirmed that both Messenger and your device are up to date and the option is still not there, try signing out of Messenger and signing back in, or uninstalling and reinstalling the app. This can clear out cached data and force Messenger to refresh all its settings from scratch. Finally, keep in mind that the Create with AI theme feature is being rolled out gradually. It may not be available to every user at the same time. If you've followed these steps and still don't see it, give it some time and check back occasionally, especially after new updates.